What's the meaning of conclusively? Conclusively. Conclusively.
Conclusively. Conclusively. The term conclusively is an adverb that is used to describe something that has been proven or established beyond doubt or dispute. When something is concluded conclusively, it means that all available evidence, data, and information have been thoroughly examined, and the most logical and reasonable explanation has been arrived at. The result of a conclusive finding is absolute and final and cannot be challenged or overturned. It provides closure and certainty to whatever issue was being investigated, and allows for informed decisions and actions to be taken based on the outcome.